Good morning, students. This video is for class 12 economics. In our last video, we started agriculture sector in India during eve of independence. We learned reasons for stagnation in agriculture sector, and those reasons are land settlement system, commercialization of agriculture sector, low level of productivity, and lack of investment. In our last video, we finished till land settlement system. How land settlement system was responsible for stagnation in agriculture sector. In this video, we will learn how commercialization of agriculture sector, low level of productivity and lack of investment are reasons for stagnation in agriculture sector. So let us see how low level of productivity was responsible for backwardness of India's agriculture sector. During British rule, low level of productivity was the main feature of agriculture sector. Lack of irrigation facilities. That time most of the farmers were dependent on monsoon or rain to irrigate their farm areas. Farmers were not having modern equipments or tools or technology, and no use of fertilizers resulted in low level of productivity, and this led backwardness in India's agriculture sector. Next we will learn about the lack of investment. Farmers were poor. They don't have money to purchase machines, tools or fertilizers. Zamindars had no roots in villages, while the British rule spent very little on agriculture, technical, and on mass education. So, overall, there was lack of investment in agriculture sector, and lack of investments in agriculture sector also lead stagnation or backwardness in agriculture sector in India during British period. And last we will learn about commercialization of agriculture sector. How commercialization of agriculture sector was responsible for backwardness in agriculture sector in commercialization of agriculture sector means production of crops for sale in the market rather than for self consumption. The British industry would always need raw materials like wheat, jute, groundnut, sugarcane to keep their factories running. By offering high prices to Indian peasants, they attracted them to produce these commercial crops instead of food crops. The extent of commercial agriculture went so far as to make many peasants purchase their food requirements from shop in town. Commercialization of agriculture sector was done with the sole objective of providing raw materials to British industry, which helped Britain to develop, and it had no benefits for Indian farmers who continued to live under the condition of extreme poverty. So, commercialization of agriculture sector was also one of the reason for backwardness in India's agriculture sector during the eve of independence. So, in today's video, we'll learn about how lack of investment commercialization of agriculture sector and low level of productivity was the reason for backwardness in agriculture sector. Thank you.